and stuff like that. Are you paying attention to me? Are you not paying attention to me? I'm not gonna pause it. Oh.
Yo, 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 yo! It's Sally Mungally where we eat our weight.
Hey guys, today is Super Bowl Sunday. I just got off work. Honey Bunny made some rice, fajita meat, some chicken, and I have some salsa here. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so they can tell you when all my crazy antics or shenanigans are posted. This looks good. Here's the red chile. And we got this last night from Pulidos. It's in Saginaw. It's good. I know I didn't really post last week. It's kind of stressful, but that's okay. This really makes me just relaxed. I feel like I'm talking to my homies or family members, or family members I care about. Okay. I have some tortilla and I put butter. It's already melted. It's so good. So today was crazy. This is busy. It's my Honey Bunny's mom's birthday. Happy birthday, lady. My little lady. I love tortilla with butter. The chicken tastes really good too. Yeah. I'm drinking Big Red. Big Red is my favorite. I'm gonna drink my water too. I feel like if I drink Coke while I eat my food, I get I'm gonna pull my hair up. We're getting off work. It's time to relax. That's what it's supposed to be about. Get home, take your bra off, take your shoes off, take your makeup off. On Sundays, I don't wear makeup. No. I feel like that's the day I let my face, be free. I want to try the beloved sauce with the boiled eggs. I've tried it, but my sister made it. When I cook, it's not the same. Food makes me happy. So, my sister makes it look so easy. I don't feel like it is. It's so good. So, I went to my sister's and she made the beloved sauce, the mild, because I can't really do spicy. Like, this is already getting too hot. And she had the red potatoes, the boiled eggs, the corn, We had some crab legs. Me and my brother-in-law had some crab legs. Oh, it was so magical. Like, for real. It was so good. She even gave me the packet so that I can make it here at home. But I just can't do it. Mm. Mm. Yesterday I had some bomb flautas. You know, I should have recorded. I didn't. But it's okay. I got you on the next one. I was even sitting there like, oh, I should be recording this, you know? It was so good. I think we got that from Cece's Pizza. My bad. Mm. Another one. My bite. This is so good. Yeah. It has butter. It's so good. I don't know why. I always have my pinky para arriba when I do it. There's some people that they eat lumbre. I can't do that. It'd be fire. I hope everybody had a good week. Today's Sunday. Now relax, be with your family. Anybody watch football? I'm one of those people that goes just to eat. I don't know what's going on. My son plays football. He's in 9th grade, but I just know to cheer him on, you know? I'm like, no, baby. So good. I'm slowing down. What's crazy, I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna get heartburn. Hopefully tonight, my daughter will please maybe color my hair. I do my hair at home. I know you shouldn't do the box dyes and blah blah blah, but my hair goes out so fast. Look at all that white hair. I mean, I don't get like little canas coming out. No, it's like the whole cranium, you know, my whole top of the cranium. I thought about doing like, I've had the brown and the blonde, and I did the burgundy and the dark brown and the mahogany. I guess like brown. Well, that's what the box color says. Oh. Now I'm gonna do like a soft black. I like the way the black looks on my complexion, and I just think it looks good on me. Let's see what y'all think. I got one more tortilla. Probably shouldn't be eating it, but it'll be fine. Yeah, I mean chile, like for real, and I only got a little bit of chile. Mm. Mm. I think I like the fajita meat better, you know? But when my baby asked, I'm like, ooh, baby, it was all good. Look, see? What is this doing? I'm full. It's so good.
So how much does it cost to get your windows in here?
Like $100. My daughter gets on my nerves, I swear to God. Huh? Oh no, that's just expensive, dude. To do your window tint?
Yeah.
Odessa? Mm-hmm. Odessa, you can have a 1-bedroom shack. No running water. 1 extension cord for electricity. Are you gonna pay rent for like, I don't know, $1,500? Right? Yeah, let me go there. When I was in Odessa and I had my blue car, you know, I even got that strip on the front done all the way on the top.
Yeah.
It was $270. Over here at that pulga, on North Side, there's a big old sign, $99.99.
Then plus tax.
I bet you if you're like, me lo haces por 100.
What does that mean?
Like, will you do it for $100? They'll be like, yeah. How are they gonna charge you tax and then they're out there like in the street with a sign?
Every commercial.
Well, I think they might charge tax. Forgive me. Cubby hates when I burp, it's not on purpose. There's a mukbanger I like to watch. I don't know what they're saying. I don't know if it's in Japanese, Chinese. But I'm so into it. Like, I'm steady watching this lady. There's another lady too. That she's like, I think it's called Mi Cocina. Oh. I like hers too. And she's such a humble lady, like, she's doing really good. You can see where like she bought a new stove and stuff like that. Are you paying attention? Are you not paying attention to me? I'm not gonna pause it. Oh. I think I'm done, guys. I'm so full. But thanks for joining me. This makes me really relaxed. It makes my day better. I really enjoy this. So please comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you don't like it, then thumb down with it. I don't know. Bye.